Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert a Word document into another Word document. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So I have this document right here in my Microsoft Word and I'm going to insert another Word document into this document so that whenever I'm going to print it, this is useful for printing, especially if you don't want to open different documents whenever you're going to print. So let's go quick into it. Now at the ribbon, you will find all these tabs. So all you have to do is click on the insert button or insert option, insert tab. And here you will find this option object. Click on this drop down arrow and simply click object. Now once done, you will find this window which has these two tabs, create new and create from file. Click on create from file. Now click on browse and browse for the destination of your document, another Word document. So I saved it in my desktop. Now let me just quickly click on that, this one, this story, and then click on insert. Then you have just to simply click on OK. And there you go. Beauty and the Beast has been added. I can also okay, so let me just quickly copy this title and then put it to this one. Okay, that's it. So now I have these two stories in one document. Okay, so that is a very easy thing to do. Now, the second option, you just need to simply minimize your Microsoft Word window and then provide a space for the document that you are going to insert. Now, I have here it saved in my desktop. All you have to do is just simply drag this to the blank space. Now, maximize it. And there you go, you have added this document, but you just need to simply, or you still have to double click on it to open this document. That's it. If you want to insert a document that is in a full text already, you can do the first method. But if you want to insert a document that will just look like this, or just a preview of your document, preview of the title, or the document title, then you can simply do the second option or the second method. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.